Business, consumers, and technology are always changing. That's why, as the CMO of NielsenIQ GfK, I'm very excited to launch our new report, Data, Decisions and Optimism, how CMOs are driving change in an evolving world, which is based on the findings of our CMO Outlook survey. Despite the current challenges, certain sectors continue to grow, and 78% of marketing leaders are confident and optimistic about their future. Make sure you're one of them. In this report, you will find how to find the balance between short-term sales activation and long-term brand building, which strategies you need in order to secure fast, actionable insights in real time, what AI actually means for marketing and where you should be investing, whether marketeers are failing to connect with consumers on topics such as sustainability and how you can stay ahead. We've just begun to unlock the power of data for organizations. It's no longer enough to know what consumers and markets did last month. The real game changer is to understand what will happen next. Get the full report for insights on where to place your investments in this volatile and highly competitive market.